In this video, I will be showing you how to turn on Meta AI Instagram. So if you have updated your Instagram application, then you can launch it and then go to your Instagram Messenger or conversation. Then once you tap that, you should see this Meta AI over here. And what you're going to do is to tap that one in order for you to use. And actually, you can ask anything to Meta AI. Also, you can ask to generate a picture or image for you. So, for example, I'm going to tap this one and I want to ask for a specific picture. So, all I have to do is to type slash imagine and then type any keywords or words here. For example, superhero, national anthem, girl, boy, something like that. You could also ask questions by asking Meta AI anything and everything under the sun. For example, if you want to ask an update about a recent news, and information about a specific city, anything, for example, how to make money and what are the trending business or how to get rich by something like that. So you can easily ask a Meta AI, and all you have to do is to type it right here, and that's it. So you have to make sure that this application or feature is also available in your country. If you can't get it or if this one doesn't show up, then you can go to your Play Store, App Store, type Instagram, and update your Instagram application. Now, after doing this, if you still can't get it, then probably it's not yet available in your country and you have to wait for it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.